So today is launch day for the new and improved version of the Organised Business Blueprint online course, which is my course for busy online business owners wanting to elevate their business with ease. This course takes you through how to set up your streamlined business hub to keep you organised, how to elevate your client processes and attract higher paying, better quality clients and projects. And in the course, you'll design your own annual, quarterly and monthly action plans to keep you on track for more profit and more freedom in your business. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a full behind the scenes look at the course, what's included, who it's for, and all of the details that you need. So if it feels like right now you're being more reactive than proactive in your business, you've maybe been working in your business for a while, working with clients, maybe you are a marketer, a copywriter, a designer, a health professional that offers one-to-one client work. Maybe you're a coach or a personal trainer or an online tutor. If you run any of those kinds of businesses and maybe you've been going for a year or two, you're finding yourself a bit overwhelmed, a bit overworked, and you're wanting to figure out what the next step is to scale in your business, but without feeling more overworked and without losing even more of your freedom, this is the course that's going to help you to simplify, streamline, organize everything so that you can sustainably scale and take your business to that next step without the overwhelm. So even if you consider yourself a disorganized person, or you're not great with time management, or maybe you've tried productivity hacks and tips before for your business, but nothing's really ever stuck, the way I've laid out this course is to make it super actionable and quick for you to get set up with an organized business system. And then all of the trainings that are in here are broken up into bite-sized chunks that make it really actionable for you. And so it isn't just adding to the overwhelm. So what do you actually learn inside the Organised Business Blueprint? What are you actually taking away from this course? I'm going to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look of what happens when you join. You get instant access to this curriculum of modules and templates and everything that you need to get organized in your business. And the first thing we do, and the goal is to get this done within the first hour of you joining the course, is setting up your digital business hub on Trello. You've got plug and play templates that you can use for all areas of your business in this Trello business hub, so you can get set up and started straight away. And this is essentially going to build a system where everything in your business is organized in one place, so you can spend less time faffing around and wasting time trying to find things in your business. Even if you don't use Trello though, you can sign up for a free plan and use everything that I show you in this course. If you use a different project management tool, you can use the concepts and use the templates as inspiration for building your own on your own tool. I've had people take this course before who use Asana or other tools, and they've basically taken everything from this course and transferred it directly onto Asana and had no issues with that. So don't worry if you use a different tool, and the templates are really just a starting point on this course anyway. As you'll see, there is so much more in here. You get all of these video trainings about how to get clearer on your business purpose, creating an annual and a quarterly plan in your business, managing your monthly and weekly tasks, designing your ideal weekly and daily schedule as well, understanding the 5 recurring meetings that every business owner, even solo business owners, need in their calendars, understanding how to track analytics in your business. And then when it comes to the processes side of your business, this is where it gets really in depth about how to create SOPs or standard operating procedures for all of the workflows that you do in your business, designing a smooth client inquiry and onboarding process, as well as keeping track of your leads and creating an interactive experience with your clients as well, offboarding your clients, encouraging your clients to retain, expand or refer you, which I talk more about in these lessons. You'll also find bonus lessons about inbox management, product development, and trainings about simplifying the offers in your business and creating an offer ecosystem that all works together, creating a system for your content creation, plus lessons about how to automate your Trello boards as well, more board ideas, plus you get these bonuses as well. So when you join the Organised Business Blueprint, you also get access to my How to Price Your Services Masterclass, which is a 60-minute video training which teaches you how to effectively price your services, taking into account the freedom that you want in your schedule, making sure that you're packaging your services in the right way. And you also get access to my pricing calculator spreadsheet in that masterclass as well, where you can figure out what your minimum hourly rate should be and what you should be charging for packages as well. Plus, there is also an unlockable bonus in this course. So once you fill out this form on the Unlock Your Bonus page, you get access to my Trello Life Hub templates as well, which means that you can not only organize every area of your business, but also every area of your life as well. And I even show you the Trello board that I'm using to organize my entire wedding as well. There's also going to be a bonus masterclass coming in 2024, all about how to automate your income in your business as well. So stay tuned for that. So how it's packaged, as you can see, you get a curriculum of these pre-recorded video trainings. There's text, action steps, and worksheets with some of the lessons as well. You obviously get all of the Trello plug and play templates too, and in-depth video tutorials about how to actually customize these templates for your own business as well. The whole point of this course is I'm training you the exact steps and concepts that I've gone through in my own business to take me from being overwhelmed, being burnt out, to having a calm and organized business where I have freedom to spend more time with my family, take afternoons off at the beach, work on my passion projects, because I've spent time designing client processes that are really easy, smooth, streamlined, and enjoyable for my clients. I get amazing testimonials from people. They're referring work to me all the time, and it means that I can charge more for my services and attract higher paying clients as well. And rather than procrastinating all the time or writing long to-do lists that never get finished, I literally sit down at my computer every day and I know exactly what I'm working on because I have a task management system and I've set goals and I've created annual, quarterly and monthly plans that actually align with my goals and that are broken down in such a way that keeps me focused and motivated as I'm working on them every single day. So if you're feeling like your workload is a bit chaotic at the moment, maybe you're pivoting in your business and making changes and you want to have that really solid foundation, maybe you're just starting from scratch and you want to make sure that all of your processes and your systems in your business are really professional from the get-go, then this course is going to help you feel calmer and clearer and help you to get organized straight away, basically in as little as an hour after joining the course, because you get instant access and you can start setting up your Trello system immediately. As I said, the course is instant access. It's self-paced, but obviously made to be quite actionable so that you don't just log in once and then forget about it. You get lifetime access to the curriculum as well, so you're not going to get kicked out. You can come and refer back to it whenever you need. If you happen to be a student of my other course and course bundle, the Streamlined Content System, you might be wondering if there's any overlap between these two courses, because in the Streamlined Content System, I do talk about how to create systems for your content creation, and there is a little bit of that included in the Organised Business Blueprint as well. But it's just these 3 lessons in the promotion module about creating a content calendar, content topic ideas, an editorial calendar, things like that. These are similar lessons to the first couple of lessons in the Streamlined Content System. It's all related. It all can tie into the same system together. So these courses do go perfectly together if you do have the Streamlined Content System already, or if you're getting the Organised Business Blueprint and you want to also understand more about how to automate your marketing, how to repurpose your marketing effectively, but also all of the strategy behind email marketing, blogging, Pinterest marketing, all of that, then you can check out my Streamlined Content System course bundle as well, because it does all fit in very nicely together. If the Organised Business Blueprint sounds perfect for you and exactly what you need in order to get your business and your life together ready for 2024, then go ahead and check out the link below this video. You can learn everything that you need about the course on that page and also join it with instant access to get started today. If you have any questions, just pop a comment below this video. I'll be happy to answer them, and I'm excited to maybe welcome you into the course very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon with another video.